In the bustling world of corporate ambition, two junior executives, Alex and Jordan, found themselves vying for the same coveted promotion. Alex, a master of the corporate charm offensive, spent his days strategizing how to best impress the senior management. He was known for his impeccably timed compliments, his willingness to work late on highly visible, if not always critical, projects, and his constant presence in the executive lounge, always ready with a witty anecdote. Alex's desk was perpetually pristine, a testament to his organized, albeit performative, approach to work. His calendar was a mosaic of touch-base meetings and synergy sessions, designed to ensure his face was seen by all the right people. He believed that visibility was the key to advancement, and he made sure he was always, unequivocally, visible. Jordan, on the other hand, was a quiet force. She wasn't one for grand gestures or overt displays of loyalty. Her approach was more understated, focusing on delivering consistently high-quality work and finding innovative solutions to complex problems. Jordan often retreated to a secluded corner of the office, or sometimes even a nearby park bench, for what she called strategic naps. These weren't mere siestas. They were carefully planned power-downs, designed to recharge her mind and enhance her problem-solving abilities. While Alex was busy making small talk in the cafeteria, Jordan might be found with her eyes closed, deep in thought, processing data, or brainstorming solutions. Her colleagues, initially puzzled by her midday disappearances, soon began to notice a pattern. Jordan always seemed to have a fresh perspective and renewed energy after her naps. One day, a major crisis hit the department. A critical project was on the verge of collapse, and everyone was panicking. Alex, despite his visible efforts, found himself overwhelmed by the sudden pressure, his usual tactics proving ineffective in the face of genuine urgency. He paced. He fumed. He called endless emergency meetings that yielded little progress. Jordan, after one of her signature strategic naps, approached the problem with a calm and clear mind. She quickly identified the root cause of the issue, synthesized complex data, and proposed a concise, actionable plan. Her solution was elegant, efficient, and, most importantly, effective. It saved the project and averted a major disaster. When the time came for the promotion decision, the choice was clear. The senior management recognized Jordan's quiet competence and her ability to perform under pressure, a direct result of her well-managed energy. Jordan got the promotion, proving that sometimes the most strategic move in the corporate race isn't to brown nose, but to occasionally close your eyes and strategically nap your way to success.